people. It has been a while. So I am so excited because we are now a retailer. Yes, that is right. The C.O.Z Parlor is now retailing Hairizon's aloe water, enhanced aloe water, and Lucky 7 oil, right? So if you have been here to the C.O.Z, I have definitely used both of those on your hair, and I am so excited to offer my clients, my beauties and kings, the opportunity to purchase these beautiful, wonderful, amazing items for your hair as well as your skin. Okay, so come with me as I go to Hairizon to pick up my very first inventory. I am so excited. But yeah, thanks. Thank you. I am so excited that green light is on, meaning we are open for business with retailing Hairizon's enhanced aloe water. It's enhanced because it has the rose oil and vitamin E in it. It's perfect for hydrating, helping with frizz, as well as conditioning. It's a daily hair primer. It's amazing. And then we have our their Lucky 7 growth oil. This oil speaks for itself. So it has all these ingredients in it. It actually doesn't have the lavender, just because I have a client that's actually allergic to lavender, so I wanted to keep that out. But it has everything else in it that is going to help with healthy scalp, healthy hair growth, and sealing in those cuticles. All right, Hairizon is here at the C.O.Z Parlor. So at your next experience here, please grab yourself an aloe water and the Lucky 7 growth oil. Thank you. See you soon. Remember, we are not just a salon, we are an experience.